Hey guys, so I came across a recipe on Instagram. It was for corn on the cob and it was using coconut milk and a lot of other flavors, and I was like, I have to try that. So I did, and it was absolutely delicious, so I'm sharing it with you guys. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your corn, you're going to add it to a big pot, and you're going to throw in a can of coconut milk and then a can of water, just enough to slightly cover the corn. Next, I threw in a couple of green onion. I threw in some smashed garlic, a couple of cubes of bullion. I threw in some pepper, salt, smoked paprika, fresh thyme or dry thyme, whichever one you have. I added in a little bit of ginger powder, but if you have fresh ginger, use that. I also added in some all kinds of seasonings, girl. I'm trying to remember. A little bit of brown sugar. I threw in some parsley. I added in some cilantro. This is just like a big pot of goodness and seasonings. Some red pepper flakes if you want it a little spicy. I'll make sure and butter. This is corn, so we got to add butter. So I'll make sure I add everything that I added in the description box. But you're just basically going to cook it like normal, and you guys, you end up with this delicious, just such a deliciously flavorful broth. It's so creamy, it's a little sweet, it's a little spicy, it's just so much flavor. You definitely got to give this corn recipe a try this summer. Yum.